Hello everyone, I'm Pratnya. Today in this video I'm going to talk about one of the Java 8 feature, nothing but Lambda expression. So very first let us try to understand why Lambda. It enables us to write the functional programming. It helps us to write readable and concise code, as it helps us to eliminate boilerplate code. It helps us to write better APIs and libraries which are easier to use. It enables support for parallel processing. So let us move further, and before knowing the Lambda expression, let us try to understand root of functional programming, nothing but functional interface. An interface which contains single abstract method is called functional interface. Functional interface can contain multiple static and default methods. Since functional interface contains single abstract method, it is called as single abstract method interface. Following is the one of the example of functional interface. Here, iterable is a functional interface which contains single abstract method iterator. An abstract method defined inside functional interface is called method descriptor or functional method. If we want to implement functional interface or to override functional method, we should use Lambda expression or a method reference. So let us move further and let us know how to use Lambda expression. If expression contains lambda operator, then it is called as lambda expression. Lambda expression is called as anonymous method, which is implementation of functional method. Syntax for lambda expression is as follows. Here functional interface name, identifier nothing but reference name, and lambda expression. And lambda expression itself divides into two parts because of lambda operator. LHS part is input parameters and RHS part is lambda body. If lambda body contains single statement or a single instruction, then use of curly braces is optional. If lambda body contains multiple statements, then use of curly braces is mandatory. Then let us move further and try to understand how we can use the lambda expression. Here there are few examples. Lambda expression without parameter and without return type. Here printable is a functional interface which contains single abstract method print, and this is the implementation of that particular functional method, nothing but print. This is lambda expression with parameter and without return type. Here math is a functional interface which contains single abstract method sum, and here this is the lambda expression which is representing implementation of this particular functional method which having two parameters. That is why here we need to define two input parameters, and this is the lambda body. Lambda expression with parameter and with return type. Here math is functional interface which contains single abstract method factorial which having single parameter and return type as an integer. So here this is a lambda expression, and here this is the lambda body. In this case, as lambda body contains multiple statements, we need to give the curly braces, and here as functional method has single parameter, we need to define single parameter. This is short introduction of lambda expression. Thank you.